Hey, what's up everyone? It's Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for stopping by. Got a new product from Tusk. This is the Quick Draw Air Filter System. If you're looking for a quick, easy, and inexpensive way to add some performance to your bike, this is one way to do it. And what this setup does, when you buy one of these, you will get a new air filter cage made from billet aluminum, cool red anodized look. But when you look at these, the big difference compared to your OEM air filter cage is no more backfire screen. These are going to help promote better airflow into your motorcycle, and you all know the deal when you're talking about performance and airflow, they go hand in hand. Now when you buy one, again, direct replacement, but here is what you need to know. When you buy one of these, because you are eliminating that backfire screen, there is a special Tusk air filter that will come included. And when you buy one, you can choose from 1, 2, or even 3 air filters at a time. But the air filter that will come is this one right here. It's a very high quality air filter. You got multiple different densities of foam to filter out the dust and the dirt. The difference between this air filter and why it's specifically made for the quick draw system is that it has a fire retardant layer of foam here on the back side. That's why this foam, or this air filter, will come with this kit. So when you go to buy new air filters for your quick draw system, you want the air filter that came with it. So just something to remember, to keep in mind. But these air filters, super high quality, promote great airflow while trapping the dirt and the dust. So again, if you are looking to increase the performance of your bike, quick, easy way to do that is with the new Quick Draw air filter system. If you have questions or comments, please leave those down below. We have these for a lot of different bikes, from your big 450s all the way down to your pit bikes. To grab one, click the link, or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Just enter the year, make, and model of the bike that you are shopping for to ensure that you get the proper fitment. Subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel if you want to stay up to date on products like these. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.